Encountering a blue screen on your Tracfone can be frustrating. This often appears as a frozen display or a boot loop, where the phone gets stuck and won't respond. Typically, this indicates a software issue rather than hardware failure. It could be due to app conflicts, system glitches, or temporary memory problems. The first and most effective step is a force reboot. This clears temporary memory and interrupts any stuck processes without losing your data. To perform a force reboot, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. On some models, also hold the volume down button. Keep holding until the device vibrates and restarts. This method resolves the issue in 70 to 80% of cases, according to Tracfone's data. If a force reboot doesn't work, you can proceed to more advanced troubleshooting steps. If the blue screen persists after a force reboot, clear the cache partition by entering recovery mode. Press and hold the power button plus volume up or down buttons simultaneously until the device vibrates, then release to access recovery mode. In recovery mode, use volume buttons to navigate and select Wipe Cache Partition with the power button. Confirm the action, then reboot the device. This removes temporary data that may cause conflicts, especially after software updates. Alternatively, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. Hold the power button to access restart options, then long press power off until safe mode appears and tap it to confirm. In safe mode, only core system apps run, allowing you to identify and uninstall recently installed or updated apps that may be causing the blue screen. Restart normally to exit safe mode.